Hey guys, this is Max950 and welcome to another video. And today I'm here at Nordslingan bil, and right in front of me right now I have something very special, a very special, very brutal beast. I'm just gonna switch the camera around now, guys, and show you guys what I have in front of me. This is a Mansory Porsche Panamera. This is one of my first Mansorys, and it's just a really special and brutal beast, this car. It's based off of the Panamera, but with this exhaust it really reminds me of the AMG GTR, since this is pretty much the AMG GTR exhaust, also with this two little exhausts here on the side, which is just looking amazing. And also the tinted taillights here. This wing up on the active arrow wing in carbon fiber that really reminds me of a wing on a Turbo S that I've seen, like with an arrow package or something. That looks really good on the Panamera. And now with the active arrow wing up too. And what else? I believe the car is a bit longer, but of course it's wider. We have some wider kind of arches here, and we got these side skirts here. That also looks really cool, and we got this carbon thing here with the Mansory badge. It looks really cool, and it got the Mansory calipers, also Rohana wheels. As you can see, it has no front wheels. The front wheels there on the other one on the other side. But yeah, this looks really cool. Of course, there's not even a front bumper. The front bumper is there. The front lights are there. Well, this is such a brutal car. It also got 50 horsepower more in this engine here, and also this thing sounds so much better than a normal Panamera because of this exhaust system that it has. Well, this was well worth to go to Nordslingan for this. Yeah, this is such a brutal car. Hopefully in the future we'll get to hear it, because this thing, it sounds amazing. So hopefully in the future we'll get to hear this car, because I just got to know that the owner of this car lives in Eskilstuna, so yeah, we might be able to spot this on a really good spotting day. Also the supercars, they are appearing in here because it's getting spring, guys. It's still really cold, but tomorrow will be 5+ degrees and sun. And yeah, there's been supercars. I can show you this. That was an R8 that I saw just a couple of days ago. This Friday I saw an R8 V10 Plus blue, and also my uncle and another spotter in Eskilstuna, which you should absolutely go follow, Mr. Spotting. You should go follow him. Here's the picture of the 458 he saw. So the supercars, they are for sure appearing in Eskilstuna, so it's gonna be nice with the also extreme bass. So it's gonna be really awesome to spot some supercars, hopefully. But yeah, I just thought I had to share this with you guys, although you can't really hear any car sounds in this video. It's a little walk around, let's just say, of this brutal beast. Anyways, guys, really cool to have this car in Eskilstuna, and thank you guys for watching this video. Nordslingan is a really good place here. It's just fun seeing some cars here in the workshop, this time with this Mansory Panamera. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, although you can't really hear any sounds or anything. Looking at this perfect beast is just really nice. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you do so, please leave a thumbs up, and please also subscribe if you want to do that for more videos. I'll catch up with you guys in another video. Bye.